Hi guys, how are you all doing? It's a very sunny day in Ireland today. We are out with the family. I'm out with the family today and it's a fun day. You can see goats. My children saw these goats and they're like, oh, I feel bad that I eat goat now. Yes, friends, we are at the Donabeds Park. That same park we were the other day. You remember I told you it's a very big park. They have different sections in this same park. So where you want to be is your choice. And you know what? Today we're going to have the fun of the day. Yeah. You can see this particular one. This is another one. So today will be the first time of them seeing a goats, and they even felt the goats. Look at these ones. Yes, there. These are the goats in this particular park, and there are different animals in different sections of the park. Here are my family. These are my people that I came with. See, this is Sean feeding the goats. Yes, the goats are coming because you're feeding them. See Daniel feeding the goats.
I would rather get goat.
Eh?
I would rather get goat.
You rather get goat meat, so you can still eat goat meat, right? Uh-huh. Oh, you can't feed a goat. Okay, let's see those that are feeding the goat. Faith is feeding the goats. Uh-huh. Who else is feeding? Okay, Yvonne is feeding these goats. Wow. Guys, this is interesting. This is the first time they are actually seeing a live goat.
You have to feed them so they can actually get babies.
Uh-huh. But you say you're not going to feed any of them.
Yeah.
But you rather eat them. That's what Chimi said. He rather will eat the goat meat than to feed them. Let's see what Angel is doing. Even Angel. Let me see how she will feed. Peppa Pig. Oh yeah, Sean, leave there. You're blocking my view. Let me see Angel feed the goat. Oh yeah. Give Angel. Angel, feed the goats. Daniel, you are blocking my view. Just give me this space. Oh yeah, give Angel to feed. Uh-huh. Wow, Angel is feeding the goat. Wow. Angel and Yvonne are feeding these particular goats. Wow. William, you are clapping for Angel.
Is it not just to hold this in and
Meet my sisters. She's running. You keep running because you'll see it like this. Just feel free. I meet my lovely sister. This is Faith. Of Faith's Corner.
Yeah. Faith
guys,
Corner.
we're chilling.
Yes, they're chilling.
Today is
Also
bank holiday, so we
subscribe
just
to
took the
me.
family out. Just
For the
to
first
look
time,
around.
oh.
And this is
After
the
lockdown, yeah.
Okay, yeah, after the
This
lockdown.
is the first. So we're having fun, guys.
Yeah.
Woo! Dunamis and Faith of Faith's mommy. Of Faith Iya, yes. Of Faith Iya. We call the mom Iya, but she's not here today. This is Auntie Omo. Guys, this is actually the first family outing. Though I edited the second one and posted it before this particular one. William is feeding this one. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Are you kidding me? You're just
Wow.
Yeah. I didn't see it.
Who?
Dennis.
Okay.
Do you want me to ask you to do it again?
Yeah.
William, stop. Stop now. Why are you doing like that?
William, you are punishing the animal.
I want a picture of that.
William, look, it says please do not feed the livestock.
No, see what William is saying to the public. That's not good, William. Be nice.
William is training the goats meat or the goats in the pen.
Will you like it? You see? God wants us to take care of everything.
Subscribe to me,
God wants us to take care of
King Timmy Gamer.
King TV is asking for your subscription. Sean and Angel, they are feeding another goat. So can I see that?
Feed them one more time. Feed them one more time.
Look, see what you have for me. How are you, baby? You fed the goat. I saw you. That was brilliant. Whitney, you are feeding the goat as well.
Go now, guys. Look at people are leaving. Let's quickly go to our place.
Oh yeah, guys, let's go. Let's go.
We're the only black people here.
Angel, look at me.
I say boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom.
That's a car.
Angel is riding on the swing.
On this swing, Angel.
Angel is swinging on the swing.
Speaking of this swing. Angel, are you having fun?
Angel, look at mom. Angel. Angel. Let me looking at me. Angel.
Look, she's looking this way, is she not?
Angel.
I don't know what she's looking at. She's over there.
Angel, look at me.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Angel, look at mommy.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, push her now. Push her.
Angel, 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 Angel.
Angel swinging on the swing.
It's as if Angel is light. It's as if she's about to fall off it.
Is that what?
It's as if Angel's about to fall off it. Wait. Wait, Angel, come.
Push her. That's it.
Uh-huh.
Angel, hold that. Yeah.
Angel, hold it.
Yes. Yeah. Hold that very firmly. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. That's your motto. That's your car. Cover her head, please. Cover her head. No. Yeah. Keep swinging. Swing. Oh, you don't want to swing.
Don't come out. Don't come out. Don't come out.
What is it?
Your hair?
I want it.
You don't want it? Okay, let's go.
Hey.
Angel, stop it. Why are you screaming?
Want to swing?
No, she doesn't want to. Take her away. Okay, let's go.
It's okay.
Angel, you're so funny. Aya, come and put her on any of these ones. In fact, she doesn't want. Let's go. Let me just film the things that they have here. Hello. One. The children are staying here to get they are on the queue to get their ice cream. Wow. Is the queue moving?
Here more than 10 minutes.
It's moving. It's not.
It is.
No.
Slowly. My legs are
Slowly.
making me.
Yeah. Okay friends, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Until I come your way with another video, keep basking in the joy of the Lord.